Oh, and there's corduroy. Is that big corduroy?
Yes.
What happened to his pants? And what? Oh no, Mater. You tripped on Mater. Move him out of the way. You landed on your knee.
Get out that pot. Do the fire, Corduroy. I mean, little Corduroy. I'm gonna get a pause. There was a little fire for me.
Did you put out the fire?
It was a little fire.
Little fire for
Yes.
little corduroy?
Yes. Uh-oh. And big fire for big Corduroy.
Okay, big fire for big corduroy.
Okay. Get to me.
There's the big fire truck.
Yes. I'm ready. Go and ride a bonsai.
Bonsai.
Uh-oh, I'm too big. I'm little bonsai. Okay, Corduroy, I'm gonna jump in the water.